So my motivation to join this particular school came from several aspects, but the most important one was during my thesis. I have been collecting data in places in rural Colombia and in Santa Marta, and I have gone to the places of farmers. I have talked to them, and I have seen and heard the struggles along the whole value chain, and I am very interested to see how what can be done especially for the smallholder farmers, but also for the whole value chain to have a best transition for the UDR implementation in the best possible way. So how has been my first week here in Padova, in Añaro? I hope I'm saying it right. It's been lovely. The team has done their utmost for us to be okay. They've been very attentive, which we all are very thankful. Very small details, but they take everything into account. And for me, it has been particularly important to be able to talk to people who are really implementing these things, or who are really on the top of all these aspects, and they truly know what's happening, And also going to, for example, the leather industry in the first week and listening to their concerns from an informed perspective. All of this is very important information that we can actually take in and then do something about it, and then not only just speculations, but actual facts, actual information, reliable information, and this is top for me. I'm really thankful for this opportunity. Okay, the part that is the most useful for this experience in the EMA4EU specialization course, deforestation free chain, is definitely, it's many things, not only one. It is learning new skills, is learning new things, is learning new information, but most importantly, learning new people and networking. And I actually, is what I said at one of the first days, I believe we are like a resilient group that is action-based orientated. We all want the best for the people, not only from the people that are seated in these rooms, that are lucky enough to be here, but also to have a bigger impact along the whole value chain. And I think that's the most important thing, to create a community that is resilient, in the sense of, like, of course, it will take some time, and it will take some negotiations, and it will be not necessarily easy, but I believe knowledge-based and information-based decisions are key, and hence having this kind of community that can actually create some action-based components and future outlines and outputs is of most importance. So that's what I would like to take on, and of course new people in life to continue growing. So thank you very much for the experience, and I hope that's all good.